Welcome to my channel, Black Link Stars. After videos surface on social media and Twitter, Black Link Stars guesser Miller was from a show video, Twitter, social media, to YouTube, and other social media platform. This video is trending every social media platform that spokesperson of which one totally another boy have made the decision to cut us with the casters of the Black Link New New York since next session was close to finishing productions. This decision will not impact the team's report that production on sessions 10 has been left open. The video of the Black Castle stores retweeted the video saying, "Don't even get into the life of this man, but this video made me upset." And the Castle has been part of show since the premiere 2016. The show follows the daily operation of this book, Black Link. He owns a studio in the Orlando and Houston. The video of the social media, Twitter, and other social media platform got a million of views. If you want complete video, you must be search on Chrome smt.t.com. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.